Children of all ages can appreciate the beauty and wonder of nature, but what impact, either good or bad, can humans have on the environment? Sometimes, when large ships that carry petroleum oil across the ocean start to leak or drilling rigs malfunction, it can cause a disastrous mess. Spilled oil sticks to the fur and feathers of animals and birds that live in or near the water, and it is difficult to remove. When this happens, it puts the animals in danger or makes them very sick. Today, we will simulate an oil spill disaster and do some hands-on cleanup. Together, we can work through the challenges of taking responsibility for human impact on the environment and inspire children and adults to realize they can play a vital role in the future of our planet. Encourage your child to make strong STEAM connections about important environmental challenges. Engage in discussions with your child as you work through today's activity to help them foster and build critical thinking and problem-solving skills needed to solve real-world environmental challenges. Once you have created your oil spill simulation, it's time to get to work. Can you complete the challenge? Let's pretend that your engineering company has been tasked with the cleaning up of a major oil spill disaster. Use only the materials listed to clean up as much of the oil as possible from the water and feathers. Make sure you place all the collected oil into the proper container so it can be disposed of properly. As you work to clean up the mess and complete the challenge, think about how each cleaning material is reacting to the oil and water. Which tools and materials are more effective in cleaning up the oil? What about the materials is making it easy or difficult to clean up the oil? Are you able to remove just the oil, or is water coming with it? Don't forget to record your findings and observations in a journal. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time for more STEAM connections with the Plano Public Library.